Hello everyone, this is Alexey. Happy holiday season to all. Let it bring you a lot of joy and happiness. Have a great family time and fun with your friends. This is the magical time. While having your coffee, blue wine, tea, or what you enjoy, take a moment to learn what is new in power semiconductors industry. Coherent, a global leader in materials, networking, and lasers, announced that it has signed a memorandum of understanding with two Korean institutions, the Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute and the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, to foster collaboration on advanced electronic and photonic devices, with a focus on the Korean market. The partnership announced will cover a broad range of innovations in devices leveraging silicon carbide, gallium arsenide, and indium phosphide technology platforms. The collaboration will address applications in power electronics for electric vehicles, industrial applications, and optical and wireless networks. LA Semiconductor, the newest US-owned and operated pure-play semiconductor foundry for analog, mixed-signal, and power products, announced the purchase of the Pocatello, Idaho fabrication plant from onsemi. LA Semiconductor is a spin-off of Linear ASICs, a turnkey ASIC design services company with expertise in analog, power, and mixed-signal semiconductors. Linear ASICs will continue providing design services to some of LA Semiconductor's customers and will bring foundry manufacturing opportunities to LA Semiconductor. Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation announced that it will construct a new back-end production facility for power semiconductors at its Himaji Operations Semiconductor in Hyogo Prefecture in western Japan. Construction will start in June 2024, with production scheduled to start in spring 2025. The project will more than double Toshiba's advanced power semiconductor production capacity against fiscal 2022. Going forward, Toshiba will expand its power semiconductor business and boost competitiveness by offering high-efficiency, high-reliability products in response to fast-growing demand and to contribute to carbon neutrality. Sanan Optoelectronics, a publicly traded company, issued an announcement that Hunan Sanan, its subsidiary, signed a procurement letter of intent agreement with a strategic automotive partner. According to the agreement, Hunan Sanan will supply silicon carbide chips to the automaker's new electric vehicle product line in the next few years, totaling $524 million. The silicon carbide chips in the agreement will be manufactured in Hunan Sanan's mega fab in Changsha, the first vertically integrated silicon carbide wafer manufacturing service platform in China, providing in-house supply chain from SiC crystals, substrate epitaxy, chip manufacturing, packaging, and testing. Applied Materials announced its intention to make multi-billion-dollar investments in its innovation infrastructure in the United States and to expand its global manufacturing capacity between now and 2030. These investments will enhance customer collaboration to accelerate improvements in semiconductor performance, power, and cost, and enable the company to increase equipment manufacturing capacity as the digital transformation of the economy creates the opportunity for $1 trillion semiconductor market. The Supervisory Board of Siltronic has appointed Dr. Michael Heckmeier as future CEO. He succeeds Dr. Christoph von Plotho, who has led the company as CEO since 2010 and who will retire. Michael Heckmeier will take up his position on July 1, 2023 at the latest and has been appointed for an initial period of 3 years. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.